Class 3 Computer Chapter 2 GUI Operating System and Introduction. Topics for today's class are the book exercises, exercise D, which is a multiple choice question, and activity section. Good morning, dear children. I hope you have done your homework of exercise A and B in your A, B, C in your copy. Today we are going to continue with this book exercises. Let's do exercise D and read the instructions. Multiple choice questions. Question number 1. Which program manages all the jobs of a computer? The options given are operating system, desktop, or screensaver. So, which is the right option? Yes. Option A, operating system. Operating system manages all the works, all the tasks of a computer. Question number 2. To arrange the icons on desktop, dash click on the blank area. Left click, right, or double. To arrange the icons, what do? We right click on the option number B. We right click on the blank area of the desktop to arrange the icons. Question number 3. Windows 10 was released on July. Option number C, July 29th, 2015. Question number 4. Dash is an example of an operating system. Apple. Option A is Apple. Option B is Microsoft. And option C is Linux. Here, option A and B are the name of the company. It's not the operating system. The operating system's name is Linux. Option C is the answer. Question number 5. Dash may mode saves all the open documents on the hard disk and then shuts down the computer. Which mode shuts down the computer and reopens as it is when you restart the computer? It is option A, hibernate. Shutdown is completely shutting down the computer with the proper procedure, and sleep mode is when the computer is not shut but it will sleep for some times. The computer will be open, documents will be open, but it will just close the screen. But in hibernate, it will shut down the computer and saves all the document in the hard disk for you to, when you restart it again, it opens the way you left it, or you shut the computer in the hibernate mode. So this is exercise D is done. Now let's do the activity section today. We will be doing the question answers at the end. Let's do this activity section. You are not going to draw the word grid here, crossword. You will take the help of it just for clue, and you do it as a fill in the blanks in your copy. Write down the question and underline the answers in your copy. No need to draw the crossword. Let's do the first section, down section. All the words that is written downward in a downward direction. So question number 1 is, The first screen that appears with the labeled pictures is the first screen when you start the computer is the desktop. So D is given there and P is given. So you have to fill in the word ESKTOP. So when you write in your copy, you write down the sentence and write the answer as desktop and underline it. Then number 3, the dash mode is the default operation mode of Windows. On which mode the Windows runs? Yes, the normal mode. So the option, the letters given here are N is given, O is not given. So write ORMAL, normal. Write it in the blank and underline the answer. Then number 4, the dash button gives quick access to documents, windows, applications, etc. So which button? Start button. So write down the spelling START, start. Then we have the fifth question. Dash are the labeled pictures on the screen. The labeled pictures, small pictures which we see on the screen, desktop, that is icons. ICONS, icons. Now let's fill all the answers of across. That starts with that you have to write from left to right. So number 2 is the key that helps in selecting non-adjacent items is the, when we are selecting something on the screen or some icons, how do we do it? If it is not close by, we are selecting randomly from different directions. How do we do it? With the help of the control key. When it is non-adjacent items. So CONTROL, control. Then number 5, the commands or menus through which a user communicates with an external device are called interface. Here in the word crossword, this I is given, N is not given. So fill N, T, E, then R is given. Then F you have to fill, then A, and there is R written. That's a wrong letter given there. That it should be C. And the next blank is E. So correct this error on the grid, on the crossword, that it is not R there. The first I is correct, then R given letter is correct, but the second last letter that is given there, R, that is wrong. Correct that letter to C. Then only the spelling for interface will be correct. Then question 6, the key that helps in selecting adjacent items, close by items together, which key is used? Shift key, SHIFT. Number 7, double clicking the left mouse button on the icon dash the selected item. When we double click the left mouse button on the selected item, what happens? It opens. So OPENS, opens the selected item. So here are the answer checks. You can check the screen and write it in your copy. And this is activity section where I have written the answers for you. You can do it like this in your copy. You don't have to draw you may do it in your book. When you buy your book, you can do the grid crossword work in your book, and do these sentences as fill in the blanks in your copy and learn it well. Learn the spelling.